I can assure you, if you go on Amazon right now, search up Bluetooth wireless headphones, the top results are always going to show these two, these Mpow ones. But why is that? Although if you look at the price point that it has and the feedback it's getting from its reviewers, too good to be true, don't you think? And both these over-the-ear and also the sport loop headphones ones, they look to be stylish and actually well built. And so, since Mpow was kind enough to send us these headphones for us to get our hands on, for us to truly see if they're actually worth the money. So with the holidays coming up, I know a lot of you are looking for gift ideas, or maybe you're possibly just picking these headphones up for yourself, or maybe for your child since they're affordable. So even if they break, they won't cost you a couple $100s than these headphones normally do. So let's go ahead and test out these headphones to see if they're actually worth gifting out, or are you better off giving these to somebody you don't like. Let's start off by looking at the over-ear headphones first. One thing for sure, it definitely has a stylish design. The overall build structure is built to last. No cables are exposed, and all the common spots that headphones are known to crack are reinforced with this stainless steel slider that is fully adjustable, and even the ear cups themselves will adapt to your head shape, so you can wear these comfortably for several hours. But once they're off, this is where they can feel very cheap. Well, if you shake them, they make a really loud, cheap noise. And these sliders don't really remain locked, they always fall down just a little like so. Now these don't come included with a hard traveling case, but instead we do get this cloth bag. And they also throw in a 3.5 audio cable and one micro USB cable. But these headphones can be folded, and even when they're folded, these little hinges are still reinforced, so it's really challenging for them to easily break. Now for these headphones, when it comes to sound quality, audio quality, they sound okay. Like, if I paid $40 for headphones, I would be satisfied personally. It doesn't get as loud as you think they should get, to be honest. I think they've done this to prevent kids from damaging their ears, and I think purposely toned it down so it's capped at a certain volume where the bass doesn't sound rubbish. But if I wanted something more bass rich heavy, I will definitely look elsewhere for headphones. The ear cups themselves are indeed nicely padded with this nice texture that seems to be really durable. They do indeed create a nice seal to help reduce the ambient noise around. And although these headphones aren't using the latest Bluetooth 5 or 5.1, these do have Bluetooth 4.0, which is actually quite shocking for a low budget headphones like these. With that connection, these headphones are able to achieve up to 33 feet of range. Anything further than that, you will experience some audio cutouts. And yes, these do have a built-in microphone that sounds decent when it comes to answering phone calls. These do also give you full music control, which is located on the right side of the headphones, but makes an awful clicking noise when you're pressing them. These headphones are advertised to get 13 hours of playback time under a single charge, and during my time with these, I believe it, as I was able to easily achieve a few weeks without charging them. Now let's talk about the sport ones, which are obviously engineered and targeted towards athletic users. These do have a water resistant rating of IPX7, so if you're known to sweat a lot during intense workouts, you should be good with these ones. Which, by the way, for $20 headphones, this wasn't a feature I was expecting these to have. And like many other similar wireless sports style headphones, these do the loop behind the ear thing, which works extremely well when wearing them. It's extremely difficult for them to easily fall off, all because of that loop. And unlike the previous headphone, this one actually does come included with a hard traveling case that not only holds the headphones, but also has a little pouch where you could keep the micro USB cable that came included, as well as the many different ear tips that it came with. And they also threw in one memory foam ear tip as well for the perfect seal. So these are equipped with Bluetooth 4.1, and I'm able to get around 30 feet of range without experiencing any signal cuts. But now, when it comes to comfort, that's when these headphones become irritating. For example, if you're someone like me who also wears glasses, this little loop is not fixable, like flexible. You're not able to adjust them to your ears, so they can become irritating within the first hour. So just be aware of that. But after readjusting them, I'm able to comfortably still continue my workout. But if you're wearing these for more than 3 hours or so, these will definitely become irritating, just an FYI. Now these headphones are actually quite interesting because on their Amazon listing, Mpow says these have noise cancellation. And from my results, they don't. Maybe if you use the foam tip that it gives you, the memory foam, that will definitely reduce the noise around you, but it's not noise cancellation. Now, while we're still on the topic of sound noise quality, how is the sound quality with these headphones? Well, I'm no audiophile, but I'm gonna do my best on describing the quality for you guys. The sound quality isn't anything that impressive. It's terrible if you're listening to music in max audio. Your bass is gonna go all over the place. It's not awful though, don't get me wrong, but if you listen to a lot of bass rich songs like rock, EDM, hip hop, rap, just to name a few genre examples, and you listen through audio using other better sounding systems, you are definitely gonna know how the bass was supposed to sound like, and these headphones don't really deliver that quality. But if you play your music in medium volume, that's where these headphones actually sound good. The bass isn't all over the place, and you're still able to identify the vocals just fine. And another thing I do like about these headphones is that it actually does give you full music controls on the right side of the headphones. You still have your volume up and down, and you can actually skip your tracks all off the earpiece itself without needing to go ahead and grab your smartphone to change track. So my conclusion with this headphone would be, they're good. They definitely do stay in place very well. They have an excellent battery life, up to 7 hours. They are stylish, and they do look very modern. And being water resistant means these should last you. And if you did by any chance lose them or lost them somewhere, you just technically lost $20 than you would if you picked up something like Beats. Same applies with the over-ear headphones. Just if you go with this one, you get a lot more color options to choose from. But I wouldn't really recommend this if you're looking for the best sounding headphones, because these are not it. These are like those disposable headphones that you don't have to worry about losing or if they get damaged, because they're a fraction of the cost compared to these headphones. So for casual, normal use, yeah, these headphones are solid. And if you're interested in finding out more about them, or you want to go ahead and pick one up yourself, I'll include links to all these products in the video description down below. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this video review on the Mpow headphones. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving me that thumbs up button, as it not only lets me know, but also helps support the channel. And if you're not following me on social media, feel free to do so. And lastly, if you feel like being awesome, do hit that subscribe button, since I always make sure to cover all the latest tech and share some DIY projects with you guys. So once again, thanks everyone for watching, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!